Hey, stand up guy, boom, 10 toes. Big body pull up in a Range Rover. I can change the whole game when I say so. I pull up, shut it down, yeah, they know. Running this game ain't a thing for me. I never switched up, no change in me. The only thing changing this season, you go against me.
Alright, so as y'all probably seen before, my mini bike identifies as a YZ450. But I want to take it a step further and try to put pegs on the back and see if we can ride it like a stunt bike. So let's get into it. Alright, so I've got one peg on. All I did was drill a hole through the frame, nut and bolt, plenty strong. I got the other hole drilled, so all I gotta do is put this peg on, throw the tire on it, hook the brakes back up, and we'll be in business.
Phone started jumping, what a day. Swear to God I need it, now I can't afford to wait. I just had a fan hit me up from Kuwait. Told him this would happen and we not a minute late. Seen them down bad, now they tryna hate. Same ones try to hit me for the raise. Got a meal, now they coming with a blaze. Check the numbers fam, I swear I'm getting paid. I'm a don just like the Perrier. It's one time when I'm looking at a face. On the low like I'm pushing up the bass. Told him come down and I'll meet him at a gate.
I can't. There's no. This thing is dead as fuck, bro. We're not moving.
It's all the way down.
We gotta go. We gotta go. Dude, this thing's not moving.
Dude, he was flooring it the whole time. Is he going back?
Yeah, we got no choice.
No, he's still gonna keep wheeling.
Yeah, I'm gonna start going.
Alright. That thing's floored right now, guys. That is all the way down. I don't know how he's making it back to the house.
Bro, the one problem with it is that the exhaust just tears up my leg, bro. That's so wild.
Dude, look at your pants. Your pants are black now.
It's literally just beaming my leg. It's fun though, it works. There we go.
And then the golf cart all the way down there.
Bro, the belt's going out, the brakes are going out, the golf cart's dead.
Everything is just flopped in this video.
The traffic is terrible. The traffic was fine when we first pulled up. Of course, as soon as we pull up.
As soon as we pull the golf cart out, it's game over.
Bro.
Yeah, look at this comparison.
Bro, it is black, dude. It is just.
Here, stayed in the sun.
Bro, my leg is cooked. Yeah, bro. When it had the can on it, it was just straight. It was beaming my leg.
If you had shorts on, it'd be over.
Do it, bro. I know. I had to put jeans on. It's fun though. It works. You wanna try the pegs out, boy?
Hell no, bro.
Come on.
If I try the pegs out, this is gonna
there
be.
we go.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it up.
Dude,
right?
it's so easy. Cause you can
so
just
easy,
bail.
man.
You can just bail. That exhaust is gonna tear his leg up with the shorts.
It's so hot on my leg.
I literally just said that. You in shorts is not good.
We put the one that can't wheelie on the bike. No, bro, it's burning my leg though.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Like my leg
Bro, you
is
probably have no hair left.
getting cooked. If I would have rode it for as long as you did.
Bro, like on camera, I'm always like, dude, it doesn't look like it's hard at all.
No, it's freaking hard. Bro, first of all, it's hard to sit down and wheelie.
Yeah.
And then you telling me to stand up and wheelie? No.
The hardest part is like this seat is so slick, so you just slide off the back, so you like really have to hold on.
But I know what you're talking about, the belt.
Yeah.
It's not catching. Like,
No.
you can kind of.
Yeah, the belt's done. It definitely needs a new belt.
Oh man. He's riding the limit now. Oh. I said it too. I said he's riding the limit. Now you know how I feel.
Right out the gate, bro. I was like, bro, I got this. Like, cakewalk. I'm walking this. Bro, right out the gate.
This man really about to go out here and retry.
Dude, I gotta get redemption on that.
I'm telling y'all, this bike compared to that bike are two different stories.
This is the hardest bike to wheelie.
Although we watch people do it online all day.
And the brakes, bro, the brakes are like half there.
You guys missed it. I just broke the brakes before we started.
So the brakes don't work. Maybe like this.
Oh, there you go. That was something.
I'm locked in now.
You gotta get her up. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock.
I'm done, bro.
I called it.
I think I've officially wrecked your bike as many times you've wrecked mine now. So I think we're even, bro. Bro,
You ain't done yet.
that is the hardest bike to wheelie. Bro, I've never been on a bike that was harder to wheelie than that.
I'm telling you, bro.
It's like nothing, everything, and then you go to grab the brakes, no brakes, so you're just in it, bro. And
It's the lemon, bro.
that's why it's yellow.
Bro, look at it. This is not probably the best and safest idea. This is gonna be so bumpy. Oh my gosh! Bro, this thing's about to blow up. That's the rig we were on. Oh my gosh! Yo!
It's got oil in it.
Yeah, too much. It's not in the range now.
I got that one too! There it goes. This smells so bad. Oh my god! Dude, it's so bad.
Alright, that's it for today, guys. The pegs actually worked out really good. I was expecting them to work, but they're a lot easier than I thought. And it's fun to switch from the pegs to the seat. Just opens a whole new variety of things you can do. But that's it for today, guys. I appreciate y'all watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.
Phone started jumping, what a day. Swear to God I need it, now I can't afford to wait. I just had a fan hit me up from Kuwait. Told him this would happen and we not a minute late.